Merhaba arkadaşlar, ben Nilüfer Özgür. Bu bölümde kitabımızın 10. ünitesi ile ilgili bir dinleme alıştırması yapacağız. Dinlemeye başlamadan önce bazı sorularla ilgili fikirlerinizi merak ediyorum. Önce onlarla ilgili konuşmak isterim, ardından parçayı dinleriz, son olarak da bir yazma aktivitesiyle bitiririz. Dinleme metnimizi duymadan önce bu sayfada gördüğümüz sorularla ilgili biraz İngilizce konuşalım. Şöyle bir önerim olabilir size. Soruları cevaplarken sesinizi kaydedebilirsiniz ve cevaplarınızı daha sonra dinleyebilirsiniz. Böylece hatalarınızı da fark edebilirsiniz. Şimdi başlayalım isterseniz. Okay, let's start. How do you like to travel? By car? By train? What will be your answer? Try to give details. The next question. Do you like to travel alone, with your friends, or with your family? Think about your choice. And let's see what your answer will be for the next question. How do you spend your time during your trips? Think please and explain. And the last question. What do you like to do when you visit a new place? It can be a city or a country. Try to explain in detail. Let's continue with the listening text. For the first listening, I want you to focus on some keywords. Try to write them down and you have a very easy question to answer. What is the text about? Okay, let's listen. I wonder the keywords you wrote down. Here you can see the ones I noted. For Edinburgh, I wrote amazing city, friendly people, killed, and photograph a souvenir. For Paris, I have train and postcard. For Rome, coach, steak and chips, and book a souvenir. And for Finland, plain, delicious spaghetti, cheap electronic goods. Are there many common words with your words? What about the answer for our question? What is the text about? It's B, isn't it? Because Leroy tells about the places he goes and does, and he says, let me tell you about the holiday so far. That's why the correct answer is B. Now let's listen again, and this time I want you to decide if the following sentences are true or false. Listen please. Okay, which sentences are false? Yes, the first one is false because on Monday he wasn't in London, he was in Edinburgh. And the third sentence is also wrong because he went to Paris by train, not by bus. The other sentences are all true. Now I want you to think about the cities that Leroy went to. Which city would you like to visit the most and why? What would you like to do there? How long would you like to stay there? Where would you like to stay? Think about all these questions and write an email to one of your best friends. For further studies, you can go to your pre-intermediate book on page 98. For detailed information, you can check the script.